Diwali is that festival which unites the country through its appeal and magnificence. Even though it has a mythological history, today it's all about grandeur. Hello and a very warm welcome to our Diwali special episode of Colors of India. I'm your host Tina Jha and here's what we have for you today in this segment. First of all, we take you to a Diwali Mela where you can experience the real fun and festivity of Diwali. Next, a wonderful initiative to celebrate an environment-friendly, safe Diwali. And finally, a dramatic folk reenactment of the life of Lord Ram as described in the Ramayana. Diwali celebrations in the metros have left behind a lot of traditional ceremony associated with the festival, turning more contemporary with the changing times. So let's take you to one such Diwali event in the national capital. The Diwali Mela itself a modern concept, bringing together all the different colors of the festival under a single symbolic umbrella. The annual Diwali Mela, small or big, is an occasion to bond with our cultural roots, acquaint children with the wealth of India's cultural heritage, while enjoying the commercial delights of modern entertainment.
दिवाली हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रखता है और दिवाली हमारे जीवन में उजाला फैलाता है। दिवाली में हम सभी बच्चे बूढ़े सब एक होकर के भाईचारा भी निभाते हैं और एक दूसरे के गले लगकर सबको मिठाइयाँ सारे गिफ्ट वगैरह हम बांटते हैं। इसलिए दिवाली तो हमें बहुत बहुत पसंद है। दिवाली में गिफ्ट के अलावा और भी बहुत सारे हम लोग पटाखे वगैरह छोड़ते हैं, लेकिन मैं तो पूरे देश को लोगों को बताऊँगी जो पटाखा कभी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए। पटाखे से पॉल्यूशन फैलता है।
मैं सभी देशवासियों को दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा और सबको एक मैसेज देना चाहूँगा कि एक तो प्रधानमंत्री ने जो हमारे यहाँ स्वच्छ भारत का अभियान चलाया है उसको देखते हुए ऐसा कार्य करें कि जिससे गंदगी ना फैले, पोल्यूशन नहीं फैले, पटाखे कम जलाएं, लाइटनिंग करें और नेचुरल दिया और मोमबत्ती को जलाएं ताकि जो रूरल एरिया से छोटे छोटे कारीगर ये मोमबत्ती और दिए बना के बेचते हैं उनका भी रोजगार चले और उनकी भी हेल्प हो सके।
It's a concept that has taken off in a big way. The annual Deep Utsav at Delhi Haat, organized by the Sahitya Kala Parishad, is among the biggest Diwali events on the city calendar. From the latest fashion trends to vibrant art and craft that reflects the depth of India's cultural tradition, all sparking off an exciting shopping spree.
Diwali is a festival of diyas and lights, and we all people decorate our houses from lights, diyas, decorate our full rooms with traditional things. And I am being to this place. I found something traditional or unique, or you say antique pieces in Delhi Haat. So I found it really interesting here, and everyone should visit here during this season.
यहाँ पर दिए बहुत अच्छे मिल रहे हैं और फ्लावर पॉट्स वगैरह बहुत अच्छे हैं फ्लावर्स वगैरह के लिए, अच्छी तरह डेकोरेशन करने के लिए बहुत चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पर दिल्ली हाट में, बहुत कुछ है जो आप अच्छी तरह से घर को सजा सकते हैं।
This is the festival every Indian is so much eagerly waiting for, and obviously if it comes to me, I love this festival the most you can say. I wait for the day when I have to make those rangoli designs and everything. If you come to Delhi Haat, you know this is the place where you can get everything that you need to decorate your house, be it those lamps, be it those diyas, all kind of trendy diyas and lamps, and be it traditional cultural things, everything you can get over here. Diwali or Deepavali literally means a row of earthen lamps. Light and prosperity and joy are the festival's essential themes. And
lighting the diya has taken on many contemporary forms. Here's a unique one using bottles. Bottles of liquor or ketchup or other flowers are recycled to give rise to these stunning masterpieces.
बस यूं ही हम रोडों पे चलते रहते हैं तो बोतलें इधर उधर पड़ी रहती है, तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना इसको उठा के कुछ नया करें। उस वेस्ट बोतल को हमने लेके ये यूज़ किया है। इसमें प्रॉपर एक कैंडल, टी लाइट कैंडल्स है हमारे पास में, ये हम इसको ये लगा के उसका दिवाली के लिए डेकोरेट के पर्पस से यूज़ कर सकते हैं।
Another eye-catchy product, the diyas from Rajasthan.
पेपर मैशी का बना हुआ है, वो पेपर मैश को उससे बनाते हैं और फिर वो वाइट प्योर फेविकॉल और बस पेंटिंग कर देते हैं। ये तो बहुत पुराना है, घरों पे होता है और फिर ये हमने नया कर दिया। इस पे दियों पे नेम प्लेट, घड़ी, सीनरी प्लेट, शीशा सब है हमारे पास में।
Deep Utsav at the Delhi Haat combines Diwali cultures from all the Indian states with the diversity and similarities showing through. Another big draw were the kandeels made of organic, crepe, handmade and kite paper with their own unique feel and flavor.
I see very beautiful and lamps here. I really like the Festival of Lights. I see lots of beautiful deers and lambs here.
And in Punjab we say Dal Roti Kardi and Diwali Amritsar Di. So if you're around around Golden Temple on Diwali Eve, go see the lights, see the festival beauty, and get some blessings.
Or if you have a fancy for lamps and candles, this is definitely the place to visit for the sheer array of wax lights with innovative designs like these, especially from Pondicherry. Spice that up with folk dances from around the country. And it's quite an evening, quite a celebration.
Delhi Haat seems to be the heart for the shopping lovers, be it the usual times or the festive season. So this year again it is back with its annual Diwali Mela, the Deep Utsav, which offers a wide variety of fashion, the rich culture, the beautiful lights and the stunning lamps. That adds to the joy of people. With this, I wish you all a very happy and a safe Diwali. With camera person Munish, Ravleen Kaur for Rajya Sabha Television. Well, as man progresses, tradition gives way to modernity. And gatherings like these are a means to let people celebrate the joyous festival in the best of spirits and also to enhance the feeling of social harmony and brotherhood. With that, we slip into a very quick break. There's still more lined up on the program. Don't go anywhere. On the other side, creative ideas to celebrate Diwali in an eco-friendly way. Welcome back after the break. A beautiful artwork through waste material is always a good initiative. Well, here's an introduction to recycled bottle craft, which not only make beautiful decorative items for this Diwali, but also help make our environment clean and green. Take a look. This year Diwali is with a theme, Ye Diwali Recycle Wali, where Madhuri and her team offers a wide variety of products which are all eco-friendly. So come and take a look what all is on display.
It's that time of the year when Indians across the world get busy celebrating. And why not? After all, it's Diwali. That gives us a reason to rejoice. Weeks before the festival, we get busy packing gifts for our near and dear ones. This time, let's make it a bit different. Let's purchase gifts that are environment friendly. Kavi, the poetry art project, provides us an array of eco-friendly, recycled gift items that can be made good use of in this festive season. Ranging from home decor items to quirky handbags, candles, lamps and much more. They give you choices that surely will win your heart. And all this to make your festival a green one under the theme Ye Diwali Recycle Wali.
This is all recycled products, and this is the handmade and hand created with a literary touch. Which you can see, we customize poetry artwork. Like somebody, in case somebody wants to get it customized, their own photograph, their own personalized message poetry, so we do that. So we started Kavi with a beautiful thought that why not to make poetry into a visual form.
Perfectly suited for the day, here's an all-new range of recycled candles. Another eye-catchy product, the diya in a bottle, is really unique in itself. The concept of recycling wine and beer bottles and turning them into these beautiful hand-created lamps make your home glow with warmth, adding to the festivity.
It's basically a recycle project to aware people about global warming, because it's increasing day by day. So it's a really part to make this and just aware people about this.
With this theme, we are telling people that utilize their waste and make them a creative and a beautiful product. We are doing a little part for our environment, because we can see that global warming in our world is increasing day by day, and now it is in a peak level.
This year, they also have a huge variety of gullak lamps, hand-created in a design never done before. It throws light on those notes that must be saved for eternity. The piggy bank base is pure clay with a water-resistant color coat. What sets this project apart is that each of these is hand-created by a team of dedicated artists and can be personalized with a little note or poem.
Come festive season and we get busy in enjoying and celebrating it without even thinking about the waste we produce in the process. So this year you also go ahead and enjoy your Diwali with these beautiful gifts and lamps, and go with the theme Ye Diwali Recycle Wali. With camera person Jyotirmoy, Ravleen Kaur for Rajya Sabha Television.
Now, such a concept is a remarkable endeavor to show creativity using waste material. And of course, it touches the hearts of all those who are fond of authentic art. With that, we slip into another quick break. We'll be right back. Do stay with us. When we return, we present to you the 59th edition of the mesmerizing, motivated highlight of Sri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra's annual calendar, the Ramayana. Thanks for staying with us. Now, as the festive season takes its grip, Delhi becomes the hub of all the cultural activity. And that's why we get you the best of all that assumes significance at this time of the year. Yes, we retell you the story of Ramayana.
पिता वचन सिर धर कर 14 भर Ram Bharati Kala Kendra is back with the 59th edition of its Ram Leela. Presenting the age-old story, its mythology and learning. Alongside the technological ingredients that a modern repertoire can offer. The dynamics work side by side with the intrinsic goodness of the Almighty, playing with emotions in varying situations.
At every step of Ram's life, there was something he had to, for example, I think that Ahilya was not turned to stone. Everyone's emotions can become like stone until someone comes and makes you melt. Similarly, like when Hanuman jumps to Lanka, it's not that he actually could have physically jumped. But if you have the thing inside you that you have to fulfill this mission, you grow big enough in size to be able to do that. So these are the small things, which is the subtext of Ramayana.
Mythology plays out in all its elaborate costume grandeur. But the sentiments and intricacies of human emotion remain evergreen and internal.
कहो मात पिता दुख कारण, करूं जतन जो हो ही निवारण.
सुनो राम कारण इतना है, राजा को तुमसे स्नेह घना है. देने थे 2 वरदाना, मांगा जो कुछ मुझे सुहाना.
सब प्रसंग रघुपति ही सुनाई, बैठ मान तन धरि निठुराई.
As they resonate in the modern day context. In conflicts of the mind and heart.
रामायण एक ऐसा चीज़ है कि ये हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति है, तो इसमें जो है हर एक को कुछ ना कुछ सीख मिलता है, चाहे वो छोटा सा बच्चा ही क्यों ना हो, चाहे वो लोग बंदर को ही देख के ही एंजॉय कर लेते होंगे, लेकिन हर एक के लिए कुछ ना कुछ ज्ञान है। जैसे माँ के प्रति बेटा का कैसा स्नेह होना चाहिए, आज्ञाकारी होना चाहिए, पिता भी कैसा होना चाहिए, पुत्र कैसा होना चाहिए, भाई कैसा होना चाहिए, मित्र कैसा होना चाहिए, और जैसे कि भक्त भी देखिए कैसा होना चाहिए, बजरंगबली जैसे। तो हर एक को कुछ ना कुछ मैसेज है और संदेश है।
The Shri Ram Bharati Kala Kendra's Ram Leela presents a beautiful meeting point between reality and idealism.
यहाँ हरि निश्चर वे देही, विप्र फिरे हम खोजत तेहि.
गिरि कंदल हनुमान पुनिहाई, राम तथा सुग्रीव मिलाए. अग्नि की साक्षी दिलवाए, प्रीत बढ़ाई, हृदय मिलाए.
हम सभी एक हैं और जो हमारा बिलीव है वो सैवधकम कुटुम्बकम। तो हम लोग रामायण के थ्रू हम लोगों का ये मैसेज है, सबको कहना है। और आप लोगों ने जिस ढंग से इस संस्था ने, इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने जो डिस्प्ले किया है, इसके थ्रू हम लोग पीस एंड हार्मनी ला सकते हैं।
जिनके बल के अंश मात्र से विजय मिले सारे दुख भय से, मैं हूँ उन रघुवर का दूता, हर लाया तू जिनकी सीता।
Bringing together the best of theatrical presentation and technical effects.
कपि वचन सुन रावण खिसे आया, शीघ्र हरो प्राण।
To relive a tale that has awed the world since time immemorial.
अब तक जीते तुम जो योद्धा, मौसम नहीं एक भी योद्धा, रावण नाम जगत विख्याता, बड़ों बड़ों को मैंने साधा। हारे हरदम अभिमान बढ़ाई, शक्ति सत्ता और प्रभुताई, जीते हरदम सुनहु सब भाई, सत्यशील सत्कर्म सिधाई।
Indeed, Shriram Bharatiya Kala Kendra's Ram Leela is a legacy in itself, an effort to familiarize the audience with the country's cultural heritage. We hope you had fun watching it. And with that, it's also time for me to wrap up this particular episode. We'll see you Sunday 9:30 p.m. with more cultural updates. Until then, take very good care. Wishing all of you a fabulous Diwali from all of us here at Rajya Sabha TV.